Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back in my channel. So guys, today this video is gonna be very important video for all of the beginners, for all of the advanced learner who want to learn this English language. Because today I am gonna talk about that how to build confidence or how I speak the English language confidently. Yes, confidence is so important for to speaking. So just always remember, stop scrolling, stop searching in the internet and come with me. I will share with you all of the things and I am guaranteed if you watch this video till the end without any skipping, then you are gonna speak like a native speaker with lots of confidence. So guys, the thing that I wanna say that always just remember these two things. If you wanna speak the English language confidently, then you need these two things. First one is shyness, and then the second one is very important. And I think without this thing, nothing is impossible. Without this thing, nothing is possible. This thing is that practice. Yes guys, practices and also shyness. Now I am gonna talk about them A to Z. First of all, just remember one thing, the shyness. You can't speak the English language confidently so until you remove your shyness. Because this thing is so dangerous. This thing just stop everyone for to speak the English language confidently. The shyness from the people, the shyness from the outdoor speaking, and the shyness from lots of things. So if you just want to speak this English language confidently, then just remember one thing. Just remove the shyness from yourself. Otherwise you can't. And also, as you can see, I always just make the videos. I always just make the English videos, advice videos in the nature and also in the outdoor. Why? What is the reason? Why I always just made them in the outside? So just notice one thing, that this thing is I just always try to remove my shyness. And now it is also working. Outdoor speaking is so important for everyone, for every beginner, for every advanced learner. If you wanna just speak the English language confidently in front of people. I don't care about the people. People are just doing their morning work. People are doing their work, and I also have to do my work. So it is my work. Making video, practicing this English language is my work. So I have to do everything. Always just remember one thing, one code. This code is very interesting and also important. This code is that you can't achieve goals. Also, great thing doesn't come in the comfort zone. You have to go from your comfort zone. I also can make the videos in my home, in near also in front of the green screen, but I am not doing this. I am just making the videos outdoor side because I want to remove my shyness. I want to say this to everyone. So if you want to remove your shyness, just go outside and then just speak with your mobile phone, or also you can, there is a very beautiful idea I want to give, that just take a headphone or earbuds in your ear and then just speak anything. Speak. Now the reason is because when anyone or someone are just walking in front of, also by side to you, they will think that you were just speaking in the call with someone, but they don't know you were just practicing. So this thing, like shyness, is so important. Just remove the shyness from yourself, then the English will be easy. You can speak the English language in front of lots of people, in front of a number of people, many people. So just remember one thing. The first is the shyness, and I also give you the thing, the shyness. And then the second one is also very important. It is that practicing. The English language will not come until you do the practice. I want to share my own things to everyone, and I always just share these things. That just remember guys one thing, that when I was in class 2, I started the journey, means English speaking journey, learning the English language, and now I am in class 7. Okay, so the long distance, you can think, you can imagine. And also this thing is, I want to say everyone that everything needs patience. There are lots of people who will say you that I will learn you English in 1 day, in 2 days, in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but they are fake. You can't learn anything. The English will be, you have to practice it daily, otherwise you can't. And I also will give you something that LSRW I always say. So this thing also, like the LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Every day, wake up in the morning earlier and then just speak for 20 minutes. in the morning, in the evening, and then just listen something. Listen my videos. You can listen lots of great people's speeches and also lots of things. So this, when you will just put the LSRW in your routine, in your daily routine, it will help you to build the confidence more and more. And also, I best example I wanna give that we need, when we need the confidence for you speak, when we are just giving a speech and when we are just doing some conversation with anyone. So as I also just made my previous video about the conversation. So this thing, the conversation, when you will do more and more 30, 40, 50, 60 conversation normally with lots of mistakes, then you can get the confidence more and more. So this thing I wanna say, just do LSRW and also just speak and just do practice, and it will come to you easily. I also give you a very beautiful example of speaking and also this thing. So guys, remove the shyness from yourself and put the practice in yourself. You need the patience, and I also just practice the stories. Stories are important. Story can give you lots of talk words, talk sentence, and then the grammar rules. The grammar rules will help you to just clear and also to maintain some things. And then, but first the story is important. So guys, read some stories, just explain, try to explain the stories, and then remove the shyness from yourself. Then all confidence, all just come to you. And remember, like I wanna say you that there are just two kind of types to speak. The first one is like that, like hands to hands together, and they say that my name is Pati Burman, I read in class 5 in Ramakrishna Sundavana, I read in class 7, my school name is that. And also this thing. This will not help you to build the confidence. If you wanna build the confidence in yourself very quickly, try to do body expression, body movements in front of any people. Like imagine you are giving a speech, and in the stage there are lots of people are there. You don't know what you have to speak because it was a automatic, it was accident, and then you just stand like that and you are just speaking. So then the audience will just think that yes, he don't know the English language, he is just trying to speak. Then what will we do? Just remove the fear from people, just remove it, and then just speak with lots of body movements, body expressions, and also after the confidence, you also have to build the the thing is that the our accent also, you have to change the accents. So this thing I want to say guys, and I know that this video is very helpful. This video will be very helpful if you just do as I just say you. So guys, my request is the same request, like this video, and I will not just force you to subscribe our channel. Just if you like and if you learn something, then subscribe, or otherwise you don't have to do. And like this video, comment a beautiful comment. It's your just work, my responsibility is just speaking, you also. So from this video we learn that for to build the confidence, you need three things. First is remove the shyness from yourself, and then the practice, do practice every day. And the third one is body expression, body movements. It will help you to build a confidence automatically. So guys, thank you for this. Subscribe our channel, like this video, and comment a beautiful comment. Bye bye, I will see you in the next video.